Hello friends, welcome to my channel online learning website. Today we discuss the objective questions of hydrocarbons. Those are very important for your upcoming examinations. The next question 147. The gas which is used for welding purpose is. The right answer is C2H2. The next question. The maximum CC bond length is in C2H6. The next question 149. The presence of unsaturation in an organic compound can be tested with. The right answer is D. Bayer's reagent. Question 150. Lendelar's catalyst is, the use is B. PD plus BSO4. Question 151. Acetylene is used in an acetic under the name of. The right answer is A. Narcoline. Question 152. Reforming is the process used for. The right answer is B. Increasing the octane number. Question 153. Which one of the following statement is about pyrolysis? Right answer is B, that is it is a thermochemical decomposition of organic waste. 154. Which one is an organometallic compound? The right answer is C, C2H5MgI. 155. Ozone is in stratosphere is depleted by CF2Cl2. The next question 156. Chlorol is a. The right answer is A, that is CCl3CHO. Question 157. The poisonous gas obtained by exposing chloroform to air and sunlight is. The right answer is B, COCl2. The next question 158. Which is the correct formula of bleaching powder? CaOCiCl. Next question 159. Chlorpyrifos is nitrochloroform. The next question 160. A sample of chloroform before using an anesthetic is tested by. The right answer is C, ammoniacal silver nitrate solution. The next question 161. The compound which is used as a refrigeration is CCl2F2. Next question. The antiseptic action of CHI3 is due to liberation of free iodine. Next question. The formula of Furan 12. The right answer is CCl2F2. Next question. Acetone is mixed with bleaching powder to give. The right answer is A, that is chloroform. The next question 165. Alcohol is obtained in the saponification process is. The right answer is A, ethyl alcohol. Next question 166. Match the list 1 and list 2. List 1, that is halo, clean, alkaline, या aride या application. The right answer is B, that is iodoform, antiseptic, BHC, termite pesticides, Furan 14, CF4, halogenes, inhalative anesthetics, and P, dichlorobenzene is the mouth repellent. Next question 167. Chlorofluorocarbon are widely used in refrigerants. Next question 168. Rectified spirit contains 95% alcohol. 169. Wire contains C2H5OH. Fermentation is an exothermic reaction. And 171. Glucose and fructose are converted into C2H5OH in the presence of ginseng. Question 172. Grain alcohol is a common name of ethyl alcohol. Wood spirit is known as a methanol. The next question. Ethanol containing some methanol is called methylated spirit. Rectified spirit can be dried with calcium oxide. The next question 176, power alcohol is used. Power alcohol is the absolute alcohol plus petrol. The explosive nitroglycerine is, the right answer is an ester. 178, which of the following compound is commonly used as an antifreeze in automobile radiators? The right answer is glycerol. 179, in a cold countries, ethylene glycol is added in the water used in the radiators of cars during winter. This result in a lowering in freezing point. Question 180, the group reagent for the test of alcohol is ceric ammonium nitrate. 181, the most important ingredient of dynamite is nitroglycerine. 182, denaturated spirit is mainly used as a solvent in preparing varnishes. 183, which of the following is generally present in tonic? Ethanol. 184, dynamite is prepared by mixing nitroglycerine with sawdust and ammonium nitrate. Liquor poisonous is due to the presence of methyl alcohol. Question 186, an enzymes which change maltose into glucose is known as a maltose. Methylated spirit is 90% alcohol plus 9% methanol plus pyridine etc. The next question 188, denaturated spirit is a mixture of ethyl alcohol, methyl alcohol and pyridine. The next question, the factor adversely affecting the fermentation process is low concentration of sugar. The optimum temperature for carrying out fermentation or molasses is 30 degrees Celsius. A fruity smell is obtained by the reaction of ethanol with CH3COH. Crown ethers are cyclic ethers. 193, in 18 crown 6, the number of oxygen atoms is 6. Epoxides are cyclic ethers with carbon single bond carbon rings. When ether is exposed in air for some time, an explosive substance is produced. The substance is peroxide. Epichlorophydrin is 2-chloromethylmethyloxyren. Question 127, ether show isomerism with alcohol. Question 198, nathalide contains C2H5OH. Question 199, the grouping greater than CO is present in ketones. Question 200, at the room temperature, formaldehyde is a gas. Formaldehyde is the commercial name of 40% aqueous solution of methanol. Question 202, Toluene's reagent is ammoniacal silver nitrate. Question 203, Skiff reagent is manganate solution decolorized with sulfurous acid. Next question 204, filling solution is copper sulfate and rock kale salt plus NaOH. 205, a plastic bakelite is a compound of HCHO with phenol. Question 206, the composition of urotropine is CS2 bracket में 6 and 4. Urotropine is formed by the action of ammonia on formaldehyde. Paraldehyde is formed by the polymerization of CH3CHO. Which of the following is used as a hypnotic? Is the paraldehyde. Paraldehyde is used as a medicine. Which is the best solvent? CH3COCH3. Question number 212. Acetone on the condensation with chloroform in the presence of caustic potash form chlorotron. Which of the following is a not fatty acid? Phenyl acetic acid. Lemon is a sour due to citric acid. Which of the following acid is present in vinegar? Vinegar. Which of the following acid is present in vinegar? That is acetic acid. The IUPAC name of the carpric acid is hexonic acid. Which of the following acid is the strongest? CCl3COH. Prioleogenous acid contains 10% acetic acid, and fermentation of ethyl alcohol into acetic acid is done by Bacterium Mycondrium acetii. When formic acid reacts with PCl5, it forms a formal chloride. Which one of the following is used to remove ink and the rust stains on cloth? Oxalic acid. Which of the following is used in synthetic lemonade? Citric acid. Apidic acid is a dibasic acid. Lactic acid is a alpha hydroxy propanic acid, and tamarind contains tartaric acid, which is the tribasic acid, is a citric acid. Raw chili salt is a sodium potassium tartrate. Vinegar contains 7 to 8% acetic acid, and kyanogen on hydrolysis with dilute HCl gives oxalic acid. Which among the following is the strongest acid? HClO4. Which of the following reagents can be used to test carbolic group? The right answer is that both of them, yani NHCO3, FeCl3, alcohol in the presence of concentration H2SO4. Oxalic acid is used. Oxalic acid is used. That is ABD. The right answer is that is for removing ink stains for the lab preparation of formic acid and alcohol, and as a mordant in dyeing and calcio printing. The next question 253. The next question 233, that is natural rubber is a polymer of isopropane. 233 question, natural rubber is a polymer of isopropane. The next question, the reaction between acid and alcohol is known as a esterification. Next question, the reverse of esterification process is called hydrolysis. Next question, the percentage of nitrogen in urea 846. The next question 237, urea is converted into ammonia and carbon dioxide by the enzymes urease. 238, urea is a monoacid base. 239, an aqueous solution of urea is neutral, or a detergent is a cleaning agent. 241, an example of hydrocyclic compound is furan. Question 242, in the hydrogenation of oil is nickel act as a catalyst. 243, the process by which vegetable ghee is manufactured is known as a hydrogenation. Soft scopes are potassium salt. Beeswax is a myricyl palmite. Candles contains a mixture of paraffin wax and sterlic acid. Fat is a lipid, and paraffin wax is a mixture of stronger alkanes. Question 249, sodium acetamide smell like reminiscent of mice. 250, a fruity smell is produced by the reaction of C2H5OH with CH3COH, and end of detergent have sodium sulfate. Soaps can be classified as a salt or fatty acid. Fruity smell is given by esters. 254, a garbarial pethylamide synthesis is used in the preparation of 1 degree amine. Which R is the following is the weakest base? Trimethylamine. Ammonia are the more basic than all of these, and alcohols, ethers and esters. Heisenberg's reagent is a benzene sulphenol chloride. Which of the following compounds caused tragedy of Bhopal in 1984? Methyl isotene. The name of CH3C triple N is ethane nitrite. And 260 assertion and reason. Assertion: phenyl is used as a household germicide. Reasons are: phenyl is a phenol derived and phenol is are effective germides. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation. Which of the following is the correct sequence in increasing order of molecular weight of the hydrocarbon? Methane, ethane, propane and butane. 2C2 match the list 1 fuel gas with list 2. Fuel gases and major constituents. List 1 CNG, that is butane ethane. Coal gas hydrogen methane carbon monoxide. LPG butane propane. Or water gas carbon monoxide and hydrogen. 263 consider the following statements, that is the right answer is 1 and 3. That is 1 liquefied natural gas LNG in liquefied under extremely cold temperature and high pressure to facilitate storage of transportation in specially designed vessels. Next, natural gas liquids NGL are separated from LPG and these includes ethane, propane, butane and natural gasoline is. Next question 264. A is false but R is true. That is, methane can be used directly for burning in homes and factories where it can be supplied through the pipelines. 265 question number 265. Consider the following statement, 1 and 2 are the correct. That is, it is used in a welding industry and it is a raw material for preparing plastics. Next question. Most of the explosions in mines occurs due to the mixing of oxygen with acetylene. Next question 267. List 1 and list 2. Cracking petroleum, smelting copper, hydrogenation edible fats and vulcanization rubber. Next question 268. Both A and R are the true and R is the correct explanation of A. Any large cold storage plants use ammonia as a refrigerant while domestic refrigerant use as a chlorofluorocarbons. And R, ammonia can be liquefied at the ambient temperature and the low pressure. Next question 269. The offending substance in the liquor tragedies leading to blindness etc. methyl alcohol. Which of the following is an active compound of oil of clove is the eugenol? Which one of the following petroleum refinery product has the lowest boiling point is gasoline? 272. Which one of the following allotropes of the carbon is used in a cutting and drilling? Diamond. 273. Which is the chemical formula of marsh gas is CH4 and which is the primary component of natural gas is methane. Next question. Synthetic ethanol is produced by reacting ethane with water steam in which the among the following molecules is the distance between the two adjacent carbon atoms and largest. Ethane. Consider the following statement is 1. In the production of plastic foams. Third, in cleaning certain electronics components. And fourth, as a pressurizing agent in aerosol cans. Thanks for watching and sharing.